Are you struggling with scattered communication tools or inefficient sales calls? What if I told you there's a platform that combines calling, texting, and team collaboration in one easy to use system? Welcome to Ringover. Hi everyone, I'm Ron, and today we are diving into Ringover, a powerful cloud based communication platform designed to help teams and sales reps streamline their workflows. Whether you are new to Ringover or just looking to optimize your processes, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. Right, we are going to talk about a lot of things here. So, if you have ever dealt with missed calls, poor call quality, or disorganized team communication, you know how frustrating it can be to manage sales and teamwork without the right tools. So, without a system like Ringover, it's easy to lose track of important interactions and fail to meet. So, I have been there too. Now, for example, once you go here, you can just request a demo on the top right side corner. But before that, let's talk about the pricing here. So as you can see here, Ringover provides you a lot more features, for example, Empower and Cadence, right? So right now we are just going to talk about Ringover. Ringover gives you three plans. This is annual and the monthly. The monthly is a little bit expensive as compared to annually, right? Obvious reason is it. Now here you can just talk to an expert or click on try it for free. So let's say I'll just go to the smart. You can pause the video, you can compare the plan by yourself, or you can just go to the website, that is a ringover.com/pricing. You will come to here and you can compare it completely by yourself. Now here you have to enter your name. Now once you enter your name here, let's enter our email. That should be a work email. After this, phone number, company name, zip code, and click on next. Now once you do here, it will say is one of our product expert will be in contact with you as soon as possible to book your custom demo and answer your question you may have. So just for instance, imagine you're part of sales team making dozens of calls daily without a systems like Ringover. You have to manually track calls outcomes, send follow-up text, and collaborate with teammates via separate platform. Now Ringover simplifies all of that and help you focus on closing deal. Now Ringover is a cloud-based communication platform designed to help teams and sales reps manage calls, text, and collaboration seamlessly, from call analytics to CRM integration. Right. So once you have the access to of the dashboard, right, you can sign up for the Ringover and log in into your dashboard. Complete this setup wizard and configure your business detail. For example, phone number, caller ID, add your team member, and assign roles. You can set up integration with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Slack for seamless connectivity. Take the time to fully configure your setting during setup. It will save you hours of rework later on. Once your account is set up, it's time to start making and managing calls. Use the Ringover's desktop or mobile app to make outbound calls, enabling call recording to capture important conversations for training or compliance purpose. Use the click to call feature to dial number directly from your CRM or email. Monitor real-time metrics like duration, status, and outcome. Now use the CRM integration, right, automatically log calls, detail, and notes. This ensures no important information is lost, right? And SMS and team collaborations are very essential for staying connected with customers and colleagues. So combine SMS with automated workflows to nurture leads without manual efforts. Now analytics are essential for measuring the success of your calls and improving team performance, right? So make sure regularly review your reports to identify trends, bottleneck, and opportunities for improvement. Now this is it, guys. I hope you found this information based video. I hope I could show you the exactly step by step, right? And but once I will do it once I get the subscription on, once I get the once Ringover allow me to make a video on them, and surely I will make a complete step by step guide video. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.